what we're going to practice today. So today, my goal is for us to do kind of one-on-one, back and forth, and see how you're going to respond back. Because one thing is to take the class, learning the language, but if you're not able to express yourself, you're not able to talk back, then it's like you see some of our children or some people, they hear it, they understand, but they can't speak it. You say everything, they understand you, but they cannot speak it. So let's have a conversation. And conversation means I'm going to share a page because whatever we say, I want to type it for you to understand exactly what I'm saying. So do you see? Okay. I want to share a page. Come on, come on. All right. So I'm going to share a page with you. I don't know why it's not coming up. Uh-oh, that's not this page I want to share. Okay, so I just want to share blank page. All right. Okay, so if I say nkata, so nkata means conversation. Can you say nkata?
Nkata.
There you go. So having conversational class, okay. So when you say nkata, nkata means conversation. Conversation or discussion. Okay, nkata means conversation. Now, there's another thing, the same word, the same spelling. Nkata. Now, listen to these two sounds. Nkata. See? So, the first one is nkata. The second one is nkata. So, I want you to sound the first one, Becky.
Nkata.
Which is conversation, right? Nkata means basket. It's a basket. Nkata, basket. Can you say nkata?
So, am I hearing it's going like a level and then down?
Yeah. Nkata. There you go. That's done. Okay. The other one is nkata. It's going up. It starts slow. Ijoma ndewo.
Oh,
No. Ijoma no.
I'm fine. No.
No, Ijoma no. Ijoma, what is no? No. Like when you come to my house or when I come to your house, the first thing you say to me is what?
Kedu.
You can say kedu, and then what is the other one just to welcome me into your house?
There will.
Okay. Okay. For example, you went to work and you came back, then what will I say? Apart from greeting you, apart from good afternoon, good morning, good evening, what will I say? I say welcome back, right?
Yeah.
Which is what?
Oh, no.
No, you know it. So why did you forget? Okay,
because
so
I'm second guessing myself.
Yeah, so no. So that's why I say welcome.
Okay.
That's basically what I say. Okay, so Becky and I, we started by saying that today will be a conversational class.
Okay.
We're gonna talk one by one. So interaction, we're gonna have interaction instead of just teach. So now, according to how we structured it, today is just having conversation. So, and we started by saying that nkata means conversation or discussion. And then the same word, but different meaning, different sounds. Nkata. Nkata is high. Nkata is going low. The tone mark, when it comes to tone mark, it's low. The one for conversation is high. So, Becky, a water liar.
I'm sorry.
Ero, ta, liar. Did you understand it? Eotalaya means, did you understand it?
A. Whether or not I
Ahead.
produce it.
No, it's okay. We're gonna talk. Don't worry. We're gonna go back and forth.
Yeah.
In a way, it's a good thing that we have only 2 students today.
Yeah,
So
I
we
just
can have
text my
conversation.
3. I can't control the college students, unfortunately.
Don't worry. I think 2 of them sent me a message that
Okay,
they
good.
won't be able to
Okay.
make it. Yeah.
Okay.
So we're saying that nkata means conversation or discussion. Nkata is a basket.
Yes.
But you have to really know how the sound goes. But don't worry about the tone mark. Just once you train your ear, you should be okay. So, don't forget, nkata means conversation, but nkata, having conversation. Nkata, having conversation. You see that? So when I say nkata, now I say nkata, nkata. And then verses nkata. So when I say these 2 things, nkata means having conversation. Nkata, making a basket. You see, even though they are the same thing, but the only difference is the sound. Having conversation. And this one is making a basket. So I want you to know when you're saying these 2 things, the sound can change what you're trying to say. So you have to really pay attention to your sound when you're saying it. So, Becky, if you're trying to say that you're having a conversation, how will you put it?
Epa inkata.
Epankata. And if you say you're making a basket, what will you say?
Epa inkata.
Yeah, epankata. I think you're really training your ears. That's good. Because some of my students, there are other classes I have. So it was hard. Nobody got it in that class. It was really hard. So, Ijoma, making a basket, how will you say that?
Ipan nkata.
Koya ozo.
Okay.
Koya ozo means
Yeah,
say it again.
Say it again.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Ipan nkata. Nkata.
Okay. Which one is having conversation?
Nkata.
Nkata, having conversation. Which one is basket?
Nkata.
You know, you're saying the sentence. Now pay attention again. Which one is basket?
The one that's low. Nkata.
Say it. I like the way she said it. Say it, teacher. I want you to say. That's why we want to learn to say it. So say it.
Ikpa nkata.
Ikpa nkata is having conversation. Which one is making basket? Don't forget it goes down. Ikpa nkata, high. Now, with the other one, it's low. Okay, let's try.
I'm going to be honest with you. IKPA is catching me.
No,
Pronunciation.
okay, you got it, but you got it. The first one, you say you're pronouncing it right. It's just trying to change your tone to go low. That's all you need. Yeah, you're pronouncing the word right. You don't have problem pronouncing IKP. You're fine.
Ikpa nkata.
Ikpa nkata, that's having conversation. The other one, bring it low. Making basket. The same way you started.
No, I know.
Having
I'm
conversation.
in my ear. Nkata.
Aha! Ikpa nkata. There you go. So Becky, let's try. Which one is making basket?
Epa inkata.
Which one is having a conversation?
Epa Inkata.
Ebankata, ebankata. There you go. So that is awesome. So that's what it is. That is what it is. So we're gonna get back to it again. Ijoma, kedu ka
Mhm.
I mere taa? First of all, when I say it, I want you to tell me. I will be switching, going Igbo to English, English. So if I
Yeah.
say it in English, you tell me. So, kedu ka I mere taa? What did I say?
How Kedu, how are you doing today?
There you go. Okay.
Yeah.
So how will you respond to me?
Okay.
Now, this is what we're gonna do.
Mhm.
Even though you're doing okay, you can choose to tell me your day is not going well, or you can choose to tell me your day is going well. So I want us to apply that negation too. So
Mhm.
either way. So tell me, kedu ka I mere taa?
Oh,
If you know, if you know,
say again.
no, it's okay. Go on,
No.
Ijoma. I'm just welcoming Ify.
Okay. So I want to say my day is okay.
My day is okay. Okay. Now, how do you say that?
Um,
And what is a day? What is a day?
um,
Becky, you want to help us?
Ta is now.
That is today.
Ta is today. Okay.
Mhm. So
Okay.
Becky, a day, a day.
Ubochi.
Oboshi. Okay, Ijomangwa. So you want to say my day? It's okay. So start from Oboshim.
I don't know how to say okay.
Yeah, Oboshim. Then
Ubochim.
okay is okay. That something is good or okay or it's like when you say good morning. You see that? Ototo oma, oma. They're
Mhm.
both okay. They're okay, good,
Mhm.
beautiful. That's
Mhm.
what it is.
So Ubochi.
Oboshem, because it's possessive. Your day, my day.
So Ubochim
Demma.
Dema. Okay.
Yeah. Oboshem demma. Or if you want to say, my day went well.
Mhm.
Ụbọchị m gara nke ọma maọbụ ụbọchị m gara ofuma. My day is okay. You say ụbọchị m dị mma. Okay. Now you cannot say my day went well. Ụbọchị m gara nke ọma. Ah, come on. Ụbọchị m gara nke ọma. Went to. Don't forget the same thing when you're doing negative, when you're doing past tense. Okay? Ụbọchị m gara nke ọma means my day went well. Ụbọchị m gara nke ọma. You see that?
So Inkaoma is well.
Yeah, well.
Okay.
Ụbọchị m gara nke ọma. Ụbọchị m dị mma. You see the difference? My day is okay.
Mm-hmm.
Or my day is fine. They
Mm-hmm.
are all the sentence.
Mm-hmm.
My day is good. See that? They all mean mma. Anything that is good, anything that is fine, anything that is okay is mma. And some dialect we say ụbọchị m dị nke ọma. You see that? That's their dialect. Nke ọma, it's the same thing. But when you're trying to say my day went well, ụbọchị m gara nke ọma. Or it went well.
Mm-hmm.
If you want to say, my day is going well, Becky, kedu ka ị ga-esi asị, my day is going well?
Obuchim.
Ụbọchị. Ụbọchị.
Obuchim.
Mm-hmm.
Na.
Good.
Ega. Or
Na aga.
Is it, do you say the NK Oma as well?
ụbọchị m na-aga nke ọma. You can also say ụbọchị m na-aga ofuma.
Okay.
ụbọchị m
So,
na-aga nke ọma. Just stick with the one you think is okay. Some people will say ofuma. This
Right.
has to do with dialect, but the Central Igbo is nke ọma. But
Okay.
when you hear ofuma, it's still doing well.
okay.
Yeah, it means the same thing. Go
You
ahead.
put the A, you put the na
Yeah.
aga.
ụbọchị m na-aga nke ọma, or you can say ofuma.
It's for Ijoma is for is going. For the
Going,
continuous.
yeah.
That's why it's not Aga.
Do you understand that, Ijoma?
No, no, no. I was asking about if you have na, why do you have to now put AGA? Isn't it?
Okay, because I separated it. You see that?
Okay. Okay.
They're not together. But if I'm going to join it, we are
Mhm.
going to do this.
Okay.
You see that? Yeah. Yeah. So because we can have double A in the middle. That's good.
Mhm.
Okay. So Ijoma,
Mhm.
kedu ebe ị gara tata?
The-
Kedu?
where will you be going today?
No, now pay attention to that gara. Now, because this is the key here. Knowing when I put it in the past tense or present or future. Kedu ebe I gara? Okay, tell me what that gara. When do you use gara?
Oh, past tense.
There you go. It means I asked you.
So where did you go today?
Where did you go?
Okay.
Kedu ebe means where.
Mhm.
Kedu ebe I is you.
Mhm.
Gara went
Mhm.
today. Kedu ebe ị gara tata? Maọbụ kedu ebe ị gara taa?
So
Just make up something. You can tell me I didn't go anywhere, or you can say.
no, that's too hard.
Okay, I'm coming to you. So, Adifi, I'm coming to both of you.
No,
We
let
are
me
in-
try. I'm okay. Okay, let me see.
Just try. Yeah, it's fun. Let's have fun.
I'm looking at my paper. Sorry. Oh, I forgot how to say I. Gara. Oh, God, what's the
Remember,
word?
it's you. You have you have two letters too. When you're telling me you did something or you didn't do something, depending on the vowel harmony. If you are the one telling me you
Yeah,
went
so I'm
somewhere
saying
or you didn't go.
I went is
What is the letter?
it's E or A? It's E.
No, you should know that it should be one because you're going to use what? What are you going to use? Is it na or gara or
No,
jere?
no,
Then, so
Gara.
which means now you know you should use what? A to
Ah,
start it.
okay. Okay. Agara.
Agaram. Remember, whenever you're saying something you did, that M should be there. Agaram.
Agaram.
Walk, okay? You want to say I went to walk.
Church. Uka.
Aha!
Okay.
I didn't know you know it. That's good.
Yeah.
Okay, Joma said, Agaram Oka. Okay. She told us that she went to work, which means, oh, come on.
No, church.
Oh,
Church.
Agaram Oka. That's what she said. Oh, why did I change this thing? Agaram Oka. Oh, boy, wait, my screen disappeared. Okay. I went to church. That's what she said. Okay. Agaram Oka. You see? I went to church. Meaning agaram. So it goes with the vowel. Agaram. That M should be whenever you're saying something that you did or you didn't do or you will do or you are doing. Agaram. Oka. Oka means church. Agaram Oka. Becky. Becky, kedu ebe ị nọ? Kedu ebe ị nọ?
Where am I now?
There you go. Yes. So tell me where you are. You can make up anything. Can tell me you are in the ocean, right? Or tell me that you are in the Igbo class. At least you can say that one. Kedu ebe ị nọ? Kedu ebe ị nọ? See? Where are you? At least she knows that. Where are you?
So would it
What
be
do you want to say in English? What do you want to say in English?
I am at home?
Okay. I am at home. You know what is home, right? Or house. Home and
Olo.
house. Olo. Now, how do you say I am? Don't forget the past tense, present, and future.
Anum.
There you go. Anum. Don't forget the preposition.
I know, that's what I'm trying to think about what it.
You know it. It's simple. Na.
Nah, okay.
Anum na.
Olo.
Olo. There you go. It's simple. Anum na olo. Okay. Ify, I want you to.
Na is.
Na.
That's a preposition. Okay.
Yes, it's a preposition. Yes.
Okay. Okay.
So it can be
Na.
at and, or not at and.
You say what?
I said,
yes,
so
and it's also and.
At and. Okay.
Yes, if I want to say na, Ijoma and Becky. Ijoma na Becky.
Okay.
Ify na Ijoma. Ify na, you see that? So it's just like Spanish. You one thing, one word will represent a lot of it's just, but once you get it, it comes natural. Just don't think too much about it. Don't worry about it. We go as it comes. You'll be fine. So Ify, you go ahead, Becky.
So just to remember, so it's with an O instead of an A because it's a place like where we're at.
Yeah, a place. When you at a place. Now, Becky, if I say, okay, where is the plate? Kedebe afereno. You see that? You say it is here or there.
Yeah.
You see that? So when you want to denote a place, you see no. You have to use that no. That no will not, it does not replace preposition that's supposed to be there. So don't forget that when you're trying to tell us a place of something, you use that no. As Becky, you got it. That is right.
Okay.
All right. So do we have a question on this one?
Mm-mm.
Okay. Ify, I want you to tell me, I am eating. Because we did some verb last time. I am eating. Ify, are you still with us? Ify, not ever.
I'm here. I'm here.
Okay. How do you say I am here? I am here. If you were doing conversation today, going one-on-one, trying to say those words, instead of me saying them, I want you all to learn to say them too. So how do you tell me? When I say, Ify, ebeka eno. First of all, what did I say, Ify? Ebeka eno. Remember, I asked Becky, kedu, ebeno. They are the same thing. And when I say, let me put it next to it. Ebe ka eno. You see, these two, they mean the same thing. Just because I switched it doesn't mean they don't mean the same thing. Ka eno. Come on. Ebe ka eno versus kedu ebe eno. They mean the same thing, just the other way of saying it. Ebe ka ị nọ? Kedu ebe ị nọ? So, Ifi, ebe ka ị nọ? All I want you to tell me is that I am here in Igbo.
I know I'm Eba.
Yeah, anọ m ebe a. Gịnị ka ị na-eme? What did I ask, Ifi? Gịnị ka ị na-eme? We know the meaning of gịnị.
Yes.
Becky, gịnị wụ gịnị?
What?
What? So, Ifi, gịnị ka ị na-eme? What did I ask?
Um, like,
What did I ask you? I want to make sure you, at least you understand what it is first.
does it mean like, what are you doing?
What are you doing? That's what it is. Yeah. Gịnị ka ị na-eme?
Okay.
You know how to respond to that? I want you to tell me, I am eating. I am eating.
It was, I know, every night.
Okay, it shouldn't be annum because you're telling us what you see. You're not telling me a place of something. Okay. So what
Okay.
is it supposed to be instead of annum erini? Remember when you're saying I am. Remember you said nah, I am eating food. You see that? So how do you say that? It shouldn't be no. You know that?
Yes.
Okay, so what is it? What is it supposed to do for that vowel harmony? Anam, can you say anam erinri, right?
Yes.
Yeah, it should be. Anam erinri. I am eating. I want you to say it.
Anam every
Anam erinri. Or can you say it again, if you?
Anam every
Erinri. Good. Okay, Becky, I want you to ask me a question in Igbo. I want to respond back to you. Every one of you should ask me something in Igbo. So come up with a sentence you're going to ask me in Igbo, and I'm going to respond to you. We're going to have a conversation, at least one or two things. When you ask me a question, I will respond. I want you to follow up again with another question in Igbo. If you don't ask me, I will ask you. So don't make me ask a hard one. Just come up with one. Okay, Becky, your turn. Let's have a conversation. At least 1 minute conversation.
Oh my God.
Right? Just simple conversation. But based on what you've been learning so far, just get some short, simple things that you can put together.
So, I guess the middle part, like the prepositions and things are, so if I wanted to ask you, where is your bag?
What is bag?
Would it, akpa.
Akpa. Okay. Remember,
So
you can say,
would it be
kedu?
abe? You would start with a kedu. Abe.
Where? How do you say ebe? There you go.
Akpa.
Akpa. There. So akpa.
Right.
What is the pronoun following it?
Say that again.
The pronoun following the pronoun.
Gi.
The noun.
Gi.
There you go. And then, because you're asking a place of something.
No.
That's it. So put it together now, Becky.
So, kedu, abe, akpa, Gi. No.
Oh, daalụ. Akpa m nọ n'elu. Akpa m nọ n'elu Becky.
Your bag. Well, you're saying my bag.
Akpa m nọ. Okay, akpa m nọ n'elu oche. Oche, I know we haven't done kitchen things, so we're
Okay.
gonna oche bụ gịnị? Onwe ma ihe wu oche? Who knows what is oche?
Chair.
Chair. There you go. Akpa m. So Becky asked m, kedu ebe akpa gị nọ? Where is your bag? Then I said, my bag is on the chair or on the table, but I didn't say table. Table in Igbo is teburu. It's like the same thing, but it's another way of writing it in Igbo way. But I say, akpa m nọ na elu oche. Becky, see that oche means a chair.
Okay.
So I will say, my bag is on akpa m nọ na elu oche. Akpa m nọ na elu oche. If Ijoma wants to tell me now that my bag is upstairs, she will say, akpa m nọ na elu. Elu means up. If she want to say my bag is downstairs, akpa m nọ n'ala. If Ijoma is upstairs and she wants to tell me that her bag is downstairs, you say akpa m nọ n'ala. Batuo, batuo means climb down, go down the step. Batuo ala. If I say if he batuo ala, if he's upstairs, I see if he batuo ala. Like Becky now, you can tell Xavier, batuo n'ala. Batuo n'ala, go down the steps. Or you can say, Kate, but go now. That's several ways to say. You can't just say, batuo elu, batuo ala. No. If you want to say, go downstairs, you can't say, bago n'ala. Bago means to climb up. Batuo, bago, batuo, bago, batuo. So if you want to say, go downstairs. You will say, batuo, BBA, batuo n'ala. Now I want to say, go upstairs. Then you say, bago, bago na elu. We're going to learn to be contrasting elu, bago n'elu. You see the difference? Batuo na bago. Bago n'elu means to go upstairs. Batuo n'ala, go downstairs. You see that? When you try to tell somebody to climb a tree, you can't use bago. You say, rigoro. Rigoro n'elu osisi. Tree is osisi. A tree is osisi. We're gonna do all those things, but because we're making a sentence, a tree is so rigoro means to climb. So when you say rigoro means to climb. Come on, climb up. Rigoro elu. Rigoro elu means climb up. Rigoro elu, climb up. Okay, now, from what we said now, if I say, Ijoma, put the light on, how do you say it?
Oh, man.
We use this say word all the time. When you're trying to say, put it on. So let's say, put the light on.
Okay. This might be my dad's dialect. Banya.
Yeah. Yes. So which one is to put up? Which one is to put on?
Oh.
There you go.
Um,
Okay, so we have to put it
Sure,
on
yeah.
and to put it off.
yeah.
So Becky, you'll be saying this all the time because your kids are still little. Yeah, you're going to be singing it. Xavier, banyoko, banyoko. So now, put the light on means banye. Ijama, you remember it now. Banye,
Wanye.
banyoko. And oku is fire or light. It is the sentence. Fire or light is oku. Oku nemu. That's fire. Banyoko. Put it on. Banye. Banye. Now to put it off. Banyoko. You can say banyo. Ba. Pay attention. Banyo. Ba. Ba. Nyo. Banyo. Nyo. Pay attention to that sound. Banyo. And there should be what? Dots underneath you and O. Banyo. Oku.
Is there an N
Banyo.
there? There's no
Eh?
N. There's no N?
Which one? Oh, yeah, there should be an. I don't know why I deleted. Banyo. Oku.
Okay.
And that N should have a dot on top or dash. When you say ngo, ngo, banyo, banyo, oku, means to put it off. Banye is to put it on. People mismatch them. It's like hard for them to remember which ones to put off. Banye, nye, and then nyo, banyoko, banyoko, banye, oko. So that means two of them. Ify, are you here?
I'm here.
Which one is to put it off? I'm hiding it so you won't see it. Which one is to put the light off?
Gibanyo.
Huh? Kuya ozo.
Oh, Gibanyo.
No, just say put the light off. Ijeoma, nyere anyị aka. Ijeoma, nyere ya aka. Nyere ya
So
aka.
help her or give her a hand.
Help her,
Right?
yay, yes. Nyere ya aka means help her, yes.
So, banyo oku.
Banyo oku, yeah, if it is banyo oku, the one that say nyo oku. So Becky, which one is to put the light on?
Bonye Oko.
Banye oku. Banye. Banyo. Banye. Banyo. So that's two different things. That's good. Banye. Banyo. Ijeoma, ndewo. Ijeoma, ndewo.
I don't know the answer to that. I mean,
yes, you do. When I'm passing and I say ndewo, I say hello. You can say hello back to me. Remember?
Oh, the same thing. Okay.
Yeah, the same thing.
I'm sorry, because we're used to when they were. I said, yeah. Oh, okay. Okay.
Ndewo.
So it's saying if somebody says ndewo and you say oh, that's not correct.
You can say oh. You just I say or you can say ndewo. You say the sentence back. Okay. Just like when I say ototoma, you can say ototoma back to me. Okay. You see that? Ijeoma, mgbede ọma o.
Mgbede ọma.
I greeted you. Remember, we're having conversation here. Mgbede ọma, Ijeoma.
Yeah, I'm trying to translate that.
This is the greeting now. Okay. What? Yeah, it's a greeting. What do we greet in the morning?
You said good morning.
In Igbo now.
Oh. Good morning. Good morning.
Oh, don't tell me you've not been using it in the morning. Everybody, we have to be using this word. What do you greet in the morning?
No, no. Oh my God, I know it, and it's escaping me.
Ijoma, Ify, help, nyere Ijoma aka. You see, I'll have to be using
Oh,
this
good
word.
morning. Ebolachi is what we use.
There you go, which is
Okay.
good. Ebola,
Okay.
yeah, but then
Okay.
what is the other way of saying it? The central one. The central one we went over in the class. If you can nyere Ijoma aka, nyere Ijoma aka.
Ụtụtụ ọma.
Ụtụtụ ọma. Aha. So we say ụtụtụ ọma.
Okay.
Becky, ehihie ọma o.
Ehihie ọma.
Kedụkwanụ ka yeah, good. Kedụkwanụ ka ị mere tata?
What are you doing today?
Kedu ka ị mere
Oh,
tata?
how are you doing today?
Yeah, answer no, respond to me in Igbo.
Sure. Anam
It means how are you? How are you today?
Anam di Oma.
Adam, are you trying to
Or
say
Adi
Adam
Oma.
anom nkoma? Are you trying to say you can say anom nkoma, meaning
Okay.
I am doing okay?
Okay. So Adi Mma.
You can say Adam mma or ngano kachifo. Becky kachifo.
Kachifo Ka Audio.
When I say kachifo, there's something you're supposed to tell me. Which one is kachifo? Remember, there's something.
Ka Abo.
Kobo. Kemesiao.
Ka Audio.
There you go. So I want you to ask me something in Igbo. Drum ajuju. Becky, drum ajuju. It means ask me a question. Just ask me anything in Igbo.
Genibu Ahagi.
Aha m bụ Ogochukwu. Gịnị bụ aha gị?
Ahambu Becky Nduguba.
Oh, ndewo, daalụ, Becky.
Ndewo Emela.
Oh, Becky. Biko nyere m aka. Nyere m aka. What did I say?
Can you say the first part again?
Biko, gịnị bụ biko?
Please.
Nyere m aka.
Help me.
So you either tell me no, I won't help you. Say no, I won't help you. Just try. I know it's hard, but
Mba. Aga.
remember the negation.
In year.
Yeah, go ahead. There you go. I know. Now, Becky, start all over. No, I won't help you. Go ahead.
Mba Agagi and Yerigi.
Finish it.
Aka.
Mba, agaghị m enyere gị aka. Ijoma, I want you to say, okay, I will help you. She put it in a negative form. So I want you to say yes, that you will help me.
Oh,
Becky, surprise me. That's good. You put it right. Mba, agaghị m enyere gị aka. Ijoma, yeah, okay. Okay, I will help you.
I will help.
Remember the positive and negative way of saying it.
Agara. Yeah, oh no, that's not right. Yeah, agara.
Okay, so
Alright,
you're gonna
well,
say,
mhm.
okay, we're getting O, right? You
Oh,
say O, O.
agara.
Don't
Nyegi
put
aka.
agam because it's something that you're going to do. It's not a past tense now. I will help you, remember. So how do you start to say something? Remember the two letters. Which one are you going to use here? I will help you. You know it. I just want you to bring it out.
Well,
How
ga
do you
is
say,
will, right?
and how do you say I will?
Oh,
No,
aga. No,
yeah, there you go. That's the word I'm looking for.
aga.
When you're saying something that you're doing, don't forget that M. So I want to hear that letter.
Oh, okay. Agaram. No, agam.
There you go.
Agam. Help. Yeah. I don't know.
No, you know it. I want you to just don't think too much about it. Oh, agam, borrow the
Agam.
word
Yeah,
from agam and make it.
agam. Agam.
To help is what? Inye. To help is
Yeah.
inye, right?
Yeah.
And then see, look at how Becky conjugated her own. Mba, agagim enyere gị aka.
Agam.
I said nyere m aka. Remember, all you need to do, borrow word there. I said, help me.
Mm-hmm.
You see that? And she said, no, that she will not help me. Help me means nyerem aka. And then she said, no, I won't help you, which is mba, agagim enyere gị aka. And now you said, okay, I will help you. So how will you say your own? Oh, agam.
Agam.
All you need to do, just borrow word there.
Agam. Enyeri aka.
Say it again. Agam what?
Agam. Enyeri aka.
Enyere gị aka. There you go, yeah. Agam enyere gị aka.
So I don't
You know,
understand that. I don't understand the GI. That's
okay.
what's getting me.
What you should know, no, think about it. It's the pronouns. Like when you say, okay, Ijoma, help her. Okay, I will help her. Agam enyere ya. Agam enyere ya. We are talking about the third person, right?
Mhm.
Agam, when I say, okay, Ijoma, help Becky.
Mhm.
Agam enyere Becky aka. When you remove Becky to
Mhm.
replace it,
Oh.
that's ya, right? Now, you and I are talking. I'm the second person. You're the first person.
Mhm.
And I say, help me.
Mhm.
Instead of you saying, okay, I will help. So what is the you there? That you is a gay.
Yeah. Okay.
When you're talking to me direct, because remember, we are talking, I spoke to you, I said, please help me. You say, okay, I will help you. That you is a gay when you're talking to a second person.
Okay.
But when you're talking to a third person, it's what? What will it be?
To a
A
third.
third person. Yeah, right?
You
Now,
said it's
let's back up. Let's back up. I had you, Becky, and myself. You are the first person.
Mhm.
Becky is the second person.
Mhm.
And I'm the third person, right?
Mhm.
And then Becky spoke to you and said, help me.
Mhm.
And then you want to tell Becky, yes, I will help you, right?
Mhm.
Two of you spoke, it's a direct talk.
Mhm.
And so for you to say, Becky, I will help you. Becky is the second person. You, dear, is a gay, right?
Mhm.
For second person, gay. Aga me enyere gị aka.
Mhm.
Now, when Becky said to you, help her, which is to help me, help Queenette.
Mhm.
Instead of you saying, I will help Quinette, I want you to put the pronoun there. Aga m enyere ya. So I'm gonna be ya because I'm a third person. It's an indirect talk. It's no longer a direct talk. But
Okay.
you and Becky talking is the direct talk. Becky being a second person will be gay. Aga m enyere gị aka meaning I will help you. But now, Becky spoke to you to help me. I'm the third person. And you said to Becky, Aga m enyere ya aka. You're not talking to me, you're talking to Becky, telling Becky you will help me. So I am ya.
Yeah.
So when you're talking about a third person always is ya. A second person that you're talking to direct is a gay. Two of you, if Becky is talking to you, you'll be gay. If you're talking to Becky, Becky will be gay. But when you are talking to Becky about me, I am ya. You're not talking to me direct.
Yeah.
Hey, Xavier. And then Becky talking to you about me. I am still the third person. I am ya. I am not again. I want to make sure it's very clear. Did
I
you
got it.
understand it? Because I'm
Yeah.
going to ask you a question now.
Yeah, I got it.
You got it. Okay. So if you're talking to Ify about Becky, how will you refer to Becky? Will you refer to Becky as a gay or ya?
No, she's yeah.
Okay. When you're talking to Becky, what would Becky be?
If I'm Gee.
Gay, because it's a direct talk, right? There you go. It's simple, just like that. If you remember this, so it won't be hard. Okay, now I want you to say, I will help. I want you to tell Becky that you will help Ify by saying, I will help her.
Okay.
You're telling Becky you will help Ify. I will help her.
Agam enyere ya aka.
Awesome. Now, if you're talking to Becky, by telling Becky you won't help, I won't help you. How will you put it?
I will not help you.
It's a direct talk. Remember now.
I will not help you. Agagim enyere gi aka.
Awesome. That's it. Just knowing which one is second or third person that's all it is. So both of them are the preposition pronouns that I want you to replace there instead of the person's name. You see that? So you use that one when you're talking to somebody and when you're not talking indirect and direct. You see that? Now, I just want to have a room for everybody to ask questions. We're going to be doing more of conversations because and this is, I noticed that if you don't use all these words, that's why you struggle to pronounce them. Like Jo, Jojo, those words, use them. Ụtụtụ ọma, ehihie ọma, anyasị ọma, nnọọ, biko, bịa ebe a, kedu, gịnị bụ aha gị? Use those words, then you get used to it. But if you don't use it, like agagem, agam, let's try to use them. We can just say them randomly, whether it makes sense or not. Just say it in the house. I don't care if somebody will say, oh, what did you say? Because you're just saying it to practice. That is you see, that's why little kids learn faster. Because they hear it. But adult, it's like we barely use it because we are on the go all the time. And like Becky, I think you learn fast because your kids, I want you to be using this word. Just speak it. Say it randomly. Just don't wait to say it at the right time. You can even say at all time. It doesn't matter. I just want them to continue to get used to the words. I need Jama. Hey, Doc is there too to help you. Say it. If you say it wrong, then he will correct you. That's the best way to say it, please. I won't say Chidera because I know they're on the go, on their way all the time. But Bog Dog all the time. Tell him, say those words, He can say, okay, can you get me a spoon?
Mhm.
Just say it in Igbo. Say, you said to get weta ngaji. You know, something like that.
Yeah.
Or tell him to say it in Igbo to you, not to
Yeah.
say it in. And then you can say mba sometimes.
Mhm.
Mba agagem. You know, because you want to get to say those words. Not that you meant to say no, but
Yeah.
you're trying to use the words. So this is the best way for us to learn.
Mhm.
And next week, we're going to have another conversation too. Because
Okay.
I want us to be using the word, the verb that we conjugated. I want us to do them. But let me say this. I am not happy because only 3 people sent in their homework. Ijoma, I didn't see your
Oh.
own. She said, oh,
I forgot. Okay. It's on the,
send me what you put down,
that's my fault.
please. And
Oh
the
my
ones
God. Well,
that
I
did,
text.
huh?
Mhm.
The ones that did theirs, Becky, you got everything. Was it Patrick and Amaka? I think
Yeah.
Amaka. If you didn't see your own, if you are you still with
Yeah.
us in Eba,
Yeah, I'm sorry. Sorry.
it's okay. I want you because this homework will help you. The ones that did their homework, they all got it. It was awesome. You see, now they know how to switch things around. All they need to know, just put things together. Before you know it, they will start
I
speaking
got
it.
stuck on to dance. I picked that one.
To
and
dance.
trouble.
Okay, get to dance, Ijama.
Ite,
You see,
ego.
I'm glad that you use your dialect. Ite, but we use this centrally, Eba. So they mean the same. At least, yeah, at least you know it. That's a good thing. You use ite, which is good. I'm glad that you use Itegu because that's your dialect, and I always encourage people to speak their dialect. As
Mhm.
long as you know that they mean the same thing.
Mhm.
Eba egu, Itegu. Okay, Joma.
Mm.
Achara abkegwam.
So I want to
Ba. How do you say dance? Dance.
say again.
Dance.
Just dance.
Uh-huh. You look at me, you say dance.
Oh,
You're looking at me and say dance.
I'm commanding you to dance.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
Oh. Uh,
No, use your dialect. Use that one you said before.
uh, oh, what I said, itegu.
Uh-huh. To dance. Now you're telling me dance. Use that dialect. Let me see if you know how to say it.
Uh,
You shouldn't struggle. Okay. How use the other word
oh no,
of
I don't know
dance.
the other word. I would have to look it up.
No, don't look it up. No. You told me now. Itegu is to dance. Now you're telling me to dance.
Come here, Sophie. Come here.
I just want
So
you to use
it's a
that.
command. So all I can think of is moi itegu.
Now, baegu, right?
Yes.
Now, I want you to use that your dialect, you told me. Forget about the Baegu. You should be able to change it to your own dialect. It's not hard. I think you're thinking too much about it. That's why you're struggling. Okay, if to dance is itegu, mobo egbu, right?
Okay.
Now you commanded me and say baegu. Then why can't you switch it to your own dialect? What will it be in your dialect?
Wa itegu.
No, you can't combine it. You already said baegu in your dialect. Tegu. That's it. You see?
Oh,
Yeah,
drop
that's what I'm
I.
trying to get you to
Okay.
know that either way, it is the same format.
Oh.
Baegu.
Drop the I. Okay.
Yeah, baegu. And then if it's your dialect, tegu,
Tegu.
the same way, the same format, nothing changed. It's just baegu, mobu tegu. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Yeah. Baegu, tegu. Yeah, it is the same way, whether you say it in your dialect or not. Yeah, so don't think too much. I think you know what to do. You know you know it, but the problem is I think you're thinking too much. And because you do
Well, I
you're
know
trying
because
to
I've heard it from my parents, and now I'm trying to
uh-huh.
grammatically make it.
Yeah, just the same way. Tegu, wegu, conjugate it. If you practice it, you get better.
Okay.
The problem is not doing the homework because the ones that are doing the homework, I see a big difference. I see that they're getting there,
Mm.
but not doing that homework. You kind of stagger and say, "Oh, I'm not sure I'm doing it right. I'm not sure I'm saying it right." Don't fear anything, whether you're saying it right or not. Just keep doing it because it's gonna help me know how to. I will get back to you and tell you whether you did it wrong or not.
Mm.
Hey, somebody's waving at me. Very soon she's gonna join us. Okay, so do we
Okay.
have any Jojo?
I do.
Okay. How do you say I do?
I do.
How do you say how do you say I have a question?
In Warama Juju.
There you go. It's
You
okay, Becky. Don't worry about her. She's fine.
so okay. So I just was wondering because I used the verb to stay.
They use the
Or-
verb for what?
To like when I did the conjugation homework to stay,
Mhm.
and I wasn't sure because it was talking about like where
You need
somebody is.
to
So
stay, right?
yes.
Okay.
So I was wondering.
Inoro. Some people say ino. So go ahead, finish your
Okay.
question.
So I was wondering when we were talking about the adding like the no and the ano,
Mhm.
is that supposed to be for in part of those sentences? Because like
Tell me
we are
what you have. Tell me what you have there.
so one of them was we are staying at my house.
We are staying. We are staying at my house. Okay. How did you do it?
And so the verb that enodu is the verb
Nodu.
that I used. So I put ani na anodu ulam.
Anyị na-anọdụ na ụlọ, right?
Yes.
Okay. We are. Yeah, I want you to see where you made mistake here. Forget about that staying because you got it. Okay. But I know it's we are. Okay. We are staying at home. You're gonna say at home here.
Okay. At my
See
home.
that?
Okay.
We are staying at my home. Or some people say house. That's fine. I just don't want you to be confused. We are staying at my home or at my house. Anyị na. Okay? Anọdụ. You say you don't even have to stretch it, but I have heard people say that. Anyị na-anọ na ụlọ m. Anyị na-anọdụ n'ụlọ m. We are staying at my house.
Okay.
Anyị na-anọ n'ụlọ m. You don't even have to do all this, but it is still okay. Anyị na-anọ na ụlọ m.
Okay.
You can, it is okay. That was why I told you. I didn't even, because I know people to say,
Yeah.
Anyị na-anọ do na ụlọ m. But if it's, we will stay at my house, what will you say?
We
We will. Anyị ga, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So you did it right. That's okay.
Okay.
Yeah, don't think too much because if this is a word the people have not said, I will say, okay. Just say, Anyị na-anọ n'ụlọ m. We are staying at my home. Now, if you say, I am at home, what will you say, Becky? I am at my...
na ulam.
What else?
On nom with an O.
Mm-hmm.
Na olum.
That's it. Yeah,
Okay.
you have the formula, and I think you're doing it right. You're doing
Okay.
very well. I just want to see you using those words. Just try to use them because this is all it takes. Once you got those basics, next week we are going to do several phrases like norani, dinala, bieba, kuroto, wulielu. You see, jump up, sit down, lie down. You see what I'm saying? So and once we do that, I want everybody to. It's like we're gonna have conversation. You tell me kuroto, then I will stand up. You tell me nora, and then I will tell you the sentence to see if you're saying. But I want you to say them in Igbo. And if you don't say them, you won't be able to sound the words. So let us practice. I know we are all busy. I understand. But let us try our best to just squeeze it in anyhow. Dr. Jom, I know, I understand. But please, in the house, any little chance you got, use it to just torture your husband. Torture him with those words, please.
Let's see if he's listening.
Kid, bug him with those words. Trust me. I want you to start complaining that you are disturbing him with the words because that's how you learn. When I was learning a German language, guess what? The thing is this, I bug the person all the time, but she was teaching me those like cussing words and so on. And then I started using it on her. And then she turned and started telling me the good ones. So when you bug them, trust me, you're gonna learn. That's how you learn. So speak it and let's see how it's gonna go.
Okay.
But let me ask, how many of you are coming? Ijoma, did you find out how many people are coming? I'm counting on you and your husband. I know Becky is not coming because of her condition. But how many people are coming? I thought that we're gonna have a meeting soon so that
I'm
if
having
they
a hard
have
time.
a question.
I need to, unfortunately on my list, I didn't keep track of the ages. I probably have to ask my husband.
Okay. So
Yeah.
if they have a question about the event and everything, they can I forwarded the hotel information and everything. And then on the central group, I know you guys are not there. The adult one are not there. There are different groups. So there are two parents that every time we are doing the event, they help us to do fundraising. How much you have, you can put in to help us to, to cover the event because it's gonna cost us like 18,000 to 20,000 budget to put everything together. So no amount is small. So two parents are handling it for us. And so I posted it to Adult Forum, to your own group. That's another Adult Forum. So anybody who wants to support us with anything, whether you're coming or not, please feel free to send it. And they're going to be updating the list. And I'm gonna add one of the parents because I'm not the one. One of them is in DC and then one is in Atlanta. So I'll add one of them to the forum. She's gonna be the one updating the list who donated anything. No amount is small. So I just want to let you know. But Ijoma, please, if we're gonna have a meeting, unless if they're not ready, but send a message out. I want to know how many people that are coming. Because the hotel people they want to give me a group rate. They did anyway. They still want me to give them how many people that I'm expecting. So I sent out several hotels that are available and close to the event place. So I want to know how many people are coming because people coming, they have to come out to say something in Igbo. So, and we have to start planning ahead. I don't know if the meeting is not gonna work, but I still want to know who is coming, who is not coming.
Okay.
Yeah. But you let me stop recording. Let me stop recording. And pay attention to that.
Speaking of the recording, Patrick was wondering if he could have of the recording since he's at work.
Hour, yeah. Because today's one, I want everybody to get it because they need to learn something there too. So let me stop recording.